Welcome back to my living room. I am setting up my studio in the back there I want to do a little behind the scenes studio tour. So that's coming up next. What I did want to cover this time was this Mountdog light they sent me. I've kind of been on a search for some cheap soft boxes, things under $50 in case just something really flexible that I can throw around or keep it stationary out here in case I do a quick shoot and I just need a really quick cheap light. Now I love my aperture. Also, I got some Neewer lights as well that are very good quality, but this Mountdog light under $50 actually really impressed me and I wanted to do a quick review of it. Now for under $50, you're going to get what you get as far as light stand quality. These screws here to adjust it up and down are made of plastic. The adjustment knob here to adjust the angle is also made of plastic. And it does feel like it has some plastic teeth in there, so don't over rotate the screws and treat it with care and it should be fine. Some of the things I do like about it, it's got a very pure white light when you're selecting the white selection. It also comes with a remote and it does adjust from both a warm light to a cool light, or I can shine all the LEDs at once if I want that really bright light. It gives me 3 selections as far as brightness, 20%, 50%, and 100%. It has adjustments for Kelvin and it has adjustments for brightness in between. And of course, it does have a power button that I could turn it on and off directly from the remote. All in all, just a really quick review of a light that I'm kind of impressed with, and I think it will do a good job for me. So I hope you got some value out of this. If you're in the market looking for a really budget light, then look down in the description below. I have my Neewer lights listed in there, and I've also got this Mountdog light listed. So I hope this provided some value. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. On an earlier. So overall,